Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Last couple of days Richard and Owen have been working on this 2005 Lexus SC. Over the last 20 years I have fitted parking sensors front and back to all sorts of vehicles, cars and trucks and vans and other such stuff, but this has been quite testing, and just purely because of the fact that the cars had quite a bit of bodywork done, so few layers of paint and filler, but more importantly we've got a lot of curved and rounded edges which just cause problems. So one thing we've had to do today is we've had to remove the bulbous number plate holder for us to even be able to fit the front sensors. Otherwise the number plate holder sticks out as much as our number plate does here, and then the front sensors, even though can be programmed, would still detect something in the way and then cause false alarms, which is then pointless. So we've gone for the old, used to be Cobra, but the Vodafone flush color-coded factory style parking sensors, all nice and flush fitted and as best we can in terms of the paint job. And then it's wired up to a lovely little discrete button in the dashboard or on the dashboard, and an audible buzzer. So when the engine is running, you press the button for 2 seconds, the front sensors come live for 20 seconds. If they don't detect anything, go off. If they do, they will stay on and then give you your normal beeps that will then get more rapid as you get closer to something. But the detection range for something like this starts off around about 500-600 mil, unlike the rear sensors, which will then start off from about a metre and a half away. So these are the front sensors. Join me around the back, we'll show you the rear ones.
I love panpipes!
So similar tricky situation at the back here, really curved bumper, very limited area for us to fit the 4 sensors, and again this bumper's had a lot of work done over the years, still got a little few gouges and dents, and got filler and been resprayed on multiple occasions. So our 4 sensors are all in a line, again flush colour coded, activated via the reverse light or reverse lights when you pop it into reverse. The buzzer, because it's a convertible or a hard top, is gone through to the back of the car so that it's in a nice volume for when you're reversing, otherwise you wouldn't be able to hear it at all. So this is front and rear, they're not linked, they're completely independent, but they are still both exactly the same flush colour-coded head. And as I said, we've done plenty of these before. This has probably been one of the trickiest ones just because of taking the car apart, working away around the convertible roof, and then also making sure that the kit is reliable. So now we're just going to jump in, show you the button at the front, and you can hear the sensors in operation. So simple operation. When the engine's running, I'm going to pop the vehicle into reverse gear. Rear sensors will come live and you'll hear the beeping in the background. Richard is in the back of the shot at the moment, also one of our speakers, so you can just hear the tone of the audible buzzer. As Richard gets closer to the vehicle, the pitch will stay the same, but it will get it'll get quicker, and then when you get to a solid tone or a solid beep, you know that we're about 30 centimetres away, which is about a foot. So that's the rear sensors, and again, simple operation. As soon as we take it out of reverse into park or into drive, those sensors lose the power. Now the front ones, picture above now, is slightly different because the button here, rather than have an auto on feature and have it just annoy you when you don't want it, the button is quite simply in front of me. When I press the button for 2 seconds, the button lights up and Richard will walk towards us, and we've then got the front sensors that will come on and will stay on the basis that there's something in front of it. If Richard then walks away, after 20 seconds, the system will time out and then go off. So again, completely independent, not difficult to function, and really, really simple, and complements this car because the viewing angle in this car is horrendous. I have no idea how far the car is away from a bollard or the pavement, and the same at the back here. There's only so much you can see with the rear view mirror and the wing mirrors, so there's the right parking sensors in a vehicle like this are pretty essential. So don't forget to get in touch with us if you've got a vehicle that wants something from parking sensors to reversing camera, and websites in the bio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Can't even talk today, it must be because it's lunchtime. And that's it, have a good day.